What's going on, guys? I wanted to bring up this video because this is a situation where a 20 SMA trade is setting up, but it's going to be a situation where I'm not going to take it. And let me give you my reasons why. There's a lot of room down to the Bollinger Band. We don't have any supports. It could, in fact, work out to be a very good trade. But if you notice, from the initial sell-off to the initial pump that we had, we are kind of holding a lot of this support. Okay, so in a situation like this, let's say, for example, this 20 SMA confirms. It could be one of those situations where it slightly wicks down and then starts to break its way up, because in fact, it looks like this is setting up something similar to a bull flag. Now, if it works out and it continues to go down and you look back at this trade and you think to yourself, man, I would have made a bunch of money, I should have just taken a trade. I get that, but you also have to put yourself in a longevity kind of mindset. How many times in a situation like this is it going to work out? Because more than not, you're going to get to a situation where you take a 20 SMA trade like this and you've been doing good for 3 or 4 days, and it's the big trade that wipes you out and causes you to go on tilt and blow an account and give back a week's worth of gains. So when I'm trying to decipher whether I want to take a specific trade or not, I have to look at the data left of the chart. Now, for example, this 20 SMA long, although there was not a lot of space from the 20 SMA to the 50 EMA, this was coming off of a nice washout. So a early morning momentum bear flag trap followed by a very strong bounce. Look at the candles. A lot of momentum to the upside. Big wick. A lot of momentum to the upside. This is a strong momentum play off of a nice bear trap, where in this particular situation, yes, although we could have confirmed and came back down, there was a lot of momentum. Look at the candlesticks here. Consolidating. They're smaller. The ranges are smaller. The ranges are smaller. The ranges are smaller. And it's just back testing into all of this support here that we're trying to reclaim. Like, right, all of this was previous supply. We've reclaimed it. We're trying to hold on to it. Now, again, we didn't close below the 20 SMA, but when I started to make this video, it was a potential trade that was trying to close below it. So just want to give you guys that piece of information on when I do decide to lay off of a particular 20 SMA play.